Okay, today I thought I'd make a video because my Chinese in-laws are over from China and they're making some kind of special food called jiaozhi. They're a little like dumplings. So I can show you the process, see if you're interested in seeing how to make these. They're super yummy. Let's go and take a look. 给外国人看怎么做抄手，放了什么？
有太多了吧？
这个是芝麻，对不对？芝麻油，还有鸡蛋、花椒面、
盐。你写上。
四川 paper 粉。
四川 pepper，
好的。
好吃。
花椒面，鸡蛋。
现在我知道花椒怎么说了。
芝麻油，
小小，
然后调一调，
把它搅拌，搅均匀。
搅均匀，Okay, we'll check it out once it's finished. The mix has been done, so now it's time to 包抄手. Bao kind of means just to make the dumplings basically, like cover them. So yeah, we're going to go out and have a try at making some dumplings. I've not had a lot of practice, so let's see how we go. Do you want to do some as well? What do you reckon? No? Don't want to? How about eating some? Yeah, you'd eat some, wouldn't you? Alright, let's go check it out. Have a look at these jiaozhi. 好漂亮的 Very nice. So get some meat.
抄手是我们四川的土话，它的原名是应该叫混沌。
混沌哦，对。
它的书名叫混沌。
啊，那别的地方不包抄手吗？就包饺子，对不对？
对。
饺
子是属北方嘛？
北方就包饺子。
就是，那我能包的那么好吗 ？I don't think I can make some this good.
很简单，你把肉放在中间，折成三角形，手指按在肉的位置，把这个边贴到把三角形的这个角贴到另外一个角上就可以了。
说的很简单。
真的很简单，你看嘛。
那我练习吧。
抄过来。
你来包一个嘛？
好呀。
你给我看。
赶紧来。
My niece thinks it's easy to do, so 我们看看。Show us how you do it then.
拿完给我点。我一根筷子搅不起肉了呢。
弄不起肉，你给它干嘛？
我搅不起来。我拿手了。
你看，你说简单。我觉得用两个。
我原来只
有一根筷子嘛。
Okay, here we go. 加油。
老爷的肉不是也多
Yeah, that's it. Put that there, that sticks it a little bit, so it's easy to stick to the other side.
好了。
Let's have a look. Not bad, not bad. 但是没有这个好漂亮。
对，因为我的肉放的很多。
So.
这是一个非常丰满的抄手。
是更好吃的 ，right？ 有更多的肉，是吧？
这个肉是更多，嘛，你跟父亲两个吃这一盘。
这一盘吗？
哎。不要放冰箱，把它放在外面。
啊，对，新鲜的。你看。
对，这个新鲜的包着吃，它就不用煮那么久。
Yeah.
然后它那个皮就不会。
Maybe I'll have a try then. Okay, let's have a try.
来，你可以一边包一边看，好看真的。
你可以稍微放一点吗
？Okay.
Thank you. Right. 我先放一点点，试一试。够了吗？
太少了。
太少了。
好，可以。
好，那我模仿你啊，这样吗？
对。
然后蘸一点在这里，是不是？
对。
这里吗？还是这里？
随便哪个都可以。
好。
你要跟他用指纹，拿它搅干净。 你跟他对。
然后这样吗 ？Pull this。
不是。
不是。
这样，这个挡在肉的中间。
这样吗？
你看吧，你看啊，像这样的，你看。看到没有？
中字幕。
看到没有？
OK。
看。哎。
OK， 我再来吧。
来了嘛，来了，这个写自己。
这个挡在肉的中间。
啊，好吧。Alright, let's try again. Okay. Right. Right in the middle. Fold.
这个主要是起它一个给它定型，看到没有？
这样的 ，OK， 我试试的。
里面。那你中字幕跟他经过去。
That's Japanese, right? OK。
就是原来的录的应该是。
对。
这样。
这个往哪边走？
这样吗？
啊。
怎么样？
哎，可以，哎。
There we go。
哎，可以。
啊，这个可以吗？
没事。
没事。
哎，那是外面的。
我觉得第二次做的还可以吧。
对，你放反了，要成这样。
啊 ，OK。
这个就好比是一个什么船型，小帆船。我们打鱼的，我们中国叫打鱼船，就是那种三角形的。
那这边和这边都可以吗？都可以啊。OK， do one more。
哎呀，那个筋。
可以。
可以嘛？那搅给搅过来。
Right, there we go. Put the finger in here. Oh, no. I jumped a step. 这个也是筋吗？
对。
哪一面可以？哪面？
啊，随便他哪面，只要是别个那个点，给他定型。
字幕。
可以了，行。
这边吗？
朝上。这个，对，你看，包两个都包好了，不要拿面，只要它成型就行了。
Right, one more. 我放多一点的肉，挑战自己。
好了，不要太多了。
牛肉。
Right, fold. Put a little bit here to stick it. Put the finger down. Join them together. Like that. All about the finger in the middle. Like that. Yeah. And there we go. Perfect.
又放倒了。
放倒了吗？
对。
Okay. And that is how you make a chaosho. Finished making them. I've been banned from making them. Actually, I was putting too much meat in the chaosho. But here's the result. We've got a plate here, and a plate in the freezer, and a plate here. That will be dinner tonight, and that's what's left to do. The skins you can buy in Chinese supermarkets, or you can make your own, but it's a lot easier to buy them in the supermarket. You get like 200, so that would be ample for a good few meals. Inside, yeah, you can put whatever you want. You can put in onion. We've put in pork, egg, and sometimes we put in a little spring onion. So I'll finish the video with the cooked chao shou later on tonight. So for the dipping sauce for the chao shou.
Not dipping.
Not dipping sauce?
Everyone's gonna have their own sauce, remember?
Really? I thought you put soup in these though.
Yeah. The soup will just get the flavour too.
I thought we'd... I guess so. Okay. Right, soy sauce. Then what? Sesame oil. Yeah. So a little bit of sesame oil. So for a little bit more kick.
Chili oil.
Chili oil. Vinegar gives it a nice kick. So a little bit of vinegar. And we've got the water boiling here, the water boiling, and we'll put the chao shou in once the water's boiled. So what's this?
Sugar.
Sugar. Yeah.
When you have vinegar, you normally have sugar.
Okay. Chili oil then?
Grounded Sichuan pepper.
So that's from your hometown, this one. Is this not from a shop? So Sichuan pepper gives you that numb feeling. And that's it, isn't it?
Are you really that forgetful?
Yeah. I haven't done this for a long time.
We just talked about chili oil.
Don't embarrass me now, come on. This will be seen by millions of people.
Yeah. People would hear you talking about chili oil and then you go, oh, that's everything now, isn't it?
Yeah. This is the one. This is the key ingredient in my eyes.
We won't give any to Flea.
No. A bit too spicy for him. Right, sorted. Right, water's boiled. So, in they go. So these ones are fresh ones. You can freeze them and keep them for much longer. How long for the fresh ones to boil?
I don't know.
10 minutes?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Just kind of look what I like.
Okay. We'll say 10-15 minutes. We'll time it. Okay. They're ready. Shuntai, So a little bit of lettuce gives it a bit of crunch. That was what? 10 minutes? 10 minutes, right? So yeah, boil them for 10 minutes if they're fresh. Stick them in the pot. Mix them up with the juice. Oh, lovely. We ate this for breakfast every day in China.
For years.
For years and years, yeah. Very yummy. Right. Okay, let's go and have a look at the chicken soup as well. Yeah. So, we'll put a little bit of soup in it, and you can.
I need the spoon.
What spoon do you need?
Big spoon.
Where is it?
It's on the counter. I'll go get it.
Oh, I can get it on the counter. Okay. Yeah, I got it. What is this machine called? This is our new machine.
Rice cooker.
It's a rice cooker, is it? Okay.
好像这个碗太小了，这个碗太小了一点，不能给你太多。吃完再来喝汤吧。
Yeah, let's do that. So there's not enough room for the soup. So finish eating that, and then put some more soup in it. Right, I can't eat it if I'm filming, so see you later. Okay, so here we've got jiaozi and soup. So this is not so spicy. You can drink the soup and you can eat the jiaozi. Very good. Same as yours, right? You've got a soup, haven't you? Can you eat the soup? Are you going to drink the soup, sorry?
It's too hot right now.
Too hot right now. Yeah. Will you drink the soup though?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Good.
I had a little sip. It was very hot, but it tasted quite nice.
Okay. Okay, verdict, it was really yummy. Dinner's finished. I didn't record me eating it because it's kind of disgusting. You have to slurp it and it's really hot. No one wants to see that. Just be assured, yeah, it was really good and I'm full up now. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I might carry on doing this stuff while my in-laws are in England. See if people are interested in watching it. Okay, 再见.